guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. In today's video we are going to be doing a lime green kind of look. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to do this look because right now I haven't decided if I'm going to put pink in the crease and as the liner, lime green on the lid, or if I'm going to do lime green on the lid, more neutrals in the crease, pink liner, pink on the bottom. I don't know. I don't know which way I want to play it. I really don't know. I'm so confused right now. But if you aren't already subscribed, please make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I'm going to ponder on this for another minute or so. I'm also sweating. I don't know why it's so hot in this room right now. It's what time is it? 9 o'clock and I'm burning up. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm back. My stomach was on fire, so I know TMI, but who cares? I'm gonna use this Milk Makeup Lush Kush lip glaze just to kind of coat my lips, just because I need a little bit of moisturizer because my lips is crusty. It's actually green, so it's kind of gross, but it doesn't smell bad or anything like that. This is only the second time I've used it. It is really minty. So I do like that about it, but I figured I'd keep this in my makeup room as opposed to my purse. Just to keep me nice and glossy. So for my lid, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lid with the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. I am not going to set this down because I do not. I want the color to actually stay on my lid, and I think I decided that I am going to do pink. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think so. Okay, so I know that we've canceled James Charles, but I'm going to just use his palettes because this is the only pink that I have. I'm gonna use Skip right down here. It's in the corner, and I'm going to apply that into the crease with a pointed crease brush from Makeup Geek. I'm first going to start in a patting motion. I'm just going to stamp the color on. Like so. And just kind of place it where I want. And then I'm going to start to buff it out. So I'm going to apply it on the tip of the brush and start to buff. Do I want to wing this out? No, I won't. So this is a clean brush. I don't have any product on it or anything. I'm just kind of using it to soften the edge a little bit. Like so. And then I'm going to cut out this rounded edge. This is the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas. This is actually in Create. It's the little light shade, and the reason I got this shade is because I really wanted the pigment or whatever color that I was going to be applying on my lid when using this to really pop. And sometimes when you use more skin tone colors, colors that go under the eye and things like that, they don't pop as much, but I have a feeling this will pop. But I'm going to be using Keep Scrolling, which is a neon lime green over the top of this. So I'm showing you that first before I go in. This also does have a brush applicator on it. So I'll see how that works. And if I don't like it, I'll switch over to something else. So way too much product on here. So I'm going to switch over to my Colourpop. Or my Dose of Colors concealer brush. So this product is really, 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 really liquidy. So I just had to make sure that I patted it down, and I continued to wipe off my brush in between pats. Just to make sure that it didn't like, you know, like bleed or anything like that. So like I said, I'm going to keep scrolling on a Sigma E55 shader brush and pack this on. Okay, so I've decided that I'm going to do a glitter liner like over the top, and I'm going to use the Dose of Colors Dazzling as a base with the Ice Loose Glitter from NYX over the top. And I'm just going to line, and then I'll dip in the glitter and just go over the top like that. And then I'll just make sure to wipe away any of the glitter off of the lid with the same brush that I used to pack on the lime green shade. So, yeah. I'm actually going to switch my mirror around because I kind of get anxious when I can't see myself. So my viewfinder is over here. And when I do this eye, I try to look this way so you guys can kind of see it more, because I feel like when I'm like this, I can't see as much. But it just makes me feel a whole lot better doing it this way. So here we are. And then lastly for this eye look, I'm going to apply some eyeliner. This is the Colourpop Gel Eyeliner in the shade Boots. And I'm just going to apply that with a Pretty Bar eyeliner brush onto my eye. Alright, so this is the final look right here. I'm going to do the other, or do the same thing to the other eye. For lashes, I'm going to apply the Dream Chaser lashes for more lashes. They look like this, really long, really flirty, really wispy. And then I'm going to do my face and I will be back. Shorter video today, y'all. Shorter video. I don't know what I'm going to do for my lips though. Like, I have the mind to do bright pink, which is like all what I took out, but like I think that's just gonna be too much pink. We'll see. Yes. Hey, Miss Rutherford. Okay, so before I get started on my lips and put on my lashes, because doing the lower lash line, I like to do my lashes last because sometimes I feel like my lashes are like weighing my eyes down and start watering. So I do that last. I'm going to take more of Boots and just pop that into the waterline. It's going to be like, you know, I'm going to continue what I did up in the crease down on the lower lash line. So I'm also going to take some of Skip onto the lower lash line as well. So I'm going to take my, this is my Moda brush. This is a smudge brush from the Totally Electric brush set. And just start to pat this underneath. I'm going to do more of a patting motion, more so than like swiping like I normally would do with like a black or a brown or something like that. Because I find with these colors that they stick a lot better when you just pat as opposed to swipe. So just so you get like the base, the bulk of the color down, and then after that, then you can like swipe back and forth, side to side, like that. I hope that makes sense to y'all. Another thing that would help with doing something like this is if you applied like the Urban Decay like primer down there or something like that, like some type of eyeshadow primer. That would definitely help as well. So the last and final step before liner or lashes and also mascara, I'm going to take the Subculture palette from AVH. We all know how amazing this palette is, right? This is the first edition. And I'm going to take Electric. And I like to use Electric when I'm doing like a lime green look. It just really adds a nice little pop. And that's going to go into the inner corner. And I'm taking a ooh. Don't apply as much as I did. And this is like a smudger brush from Sigma. And then it just goes right in the inner corner. Like that. Super cute. Okay, so I was going to do hot pink, but I'm basic. What do you guys want from me, right? So I'm not. Not going to do it. Not going to try it. Just not feeling it tonight, okay? It's 11 o'clock. I'm just not even going to. Like, I want to, but I don't. Like, I don't know. I guess it'll make this look fun, but I can't commit. I can't commit. No. I can't. Sorry. I'm just not that girl. Not tonight. One of these days, I'm gonna do it though. Like, I'm gonna do bold and bold. Like, I've done it before, but like. So, my new favorite lip liner, which I know I said was like too warm. It's too warm for me. Okay, so I've learned that especially with lip products, like I gotta like give it a couple times because this like, I love it. I love it specifically because it's so creamy. Like it doesn't drag against my lips even when my lips are really, really dry. I love it. So I'm gonna do that. And that Kush lip gloss still has me really nice and moisturized. And then I'm going to use the Naday lip gloss. This is very, very, very light. It's in Little Baby. Okay, one last spray. Am I that girl today? I think I'm that girl. Or tonight, rather. Okay, you guys, so that wraps up the look. What do you guys think? It's definitely different. Out of my comfort zone, out of my box, but I think it turned out pretty. Halfway through, I was like I was unsure. I was really unsure. I didn't want to continue this look, but I think it turned out well. I really like it. Let me know what you guys think. Also, this is really summery, like watermelon summery inspired. So yeah. Let me know what you guys think. I love you all so much, and I'll see you guys very soon. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already. Bye.